Hi there, students. A concourse. Okay, a concourse, a countable noun. Let's see, a concourse is an open space, normally inside, but a big wide space where lots of people gather. I think the most common example of a concourse is in a railway station. So you know, in front of a railway station there's often this big open area that is full of different people, and then you can go to each of the different platforms from the concourse, and there are shops and bars round the edge of the concourse. Okay, this is the idea of a concourse. A concourse can be inside or outside, but it's more commonly inside. Or, for example, when you go to an airport, you go in through the door and there's this big open area, where there are all of the different check-in desks, and there's a big area for lots of people, and there are queues and people doing different things. This again is a concourse. Okay, a concourse is a large place where lots of people meet. But it's possible to have concourses outside. I think normally when we talk about concourses outside, these are primarily an area where there are lots of cars coming and going in front of a building. For example, a supermarket might have a concourse. It's got a car park and then an area for people to go in. A concourse has the idea of different routes going into a specific place. So this concourse, it's this open space. You might have a concourse outside a large public building where you could have meetings or demonstrations or different things like that. But it's outside a building, and there are originally it's got the idea of there are lots of different ways of getting to the concourse. I think there's a concourse outside Wembley Arena where people meet. There's this big area. In a supermarket, in a shopping mall, you have shops down the side, and very often you have big areas in the centre where there are lots of people. The people are walking up and down and doing different things. This is the concourse within a supermarket. You might find a concourse in a bus station. This is where all the people are waiting, and then they go to their different buses. Okay, so this is the idea of a concourse. Now notice we can use concourse with other things as well. I think a concourse, we could use it to mean a great crowd of people. So there was a concourse of people, or a concourse of different ideas. Because we can also use this word, a concourse, talking about the act of coming together or moving together. I think with this meaning, a concourse of events. I think that's particularly the collocation I would use. A concourse of unfortunate events caused a perfect storm. But so a concourse, a gathering of people, a concourse of people gathering together. So a concourse of people were waiting for the train, on the platform. They'd all come from the concourse, and now they were waiting on the platform. Okay, and then various things coming together, a confluence. So a confluence of events, a concourse of events, a concourse of unfortunate happenings. So concourse, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you might use a word like the lobby or the hall or the entrance. more informally. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or even something very formal. I think a concourse of people, 6.5 informality, semi-formal writing. A concourse of events, 6.5 informality again. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from French concours, which comes from Latin concursus, concurrere, to run together. Con, with, together, and currere, to run, so to run together. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Concourse.